I want to say big ups to Shop and Relax. That company offered me 24/7 customer service. Listen, I was asleep and I was up that night as I usually am, and I felt the need to speak to someone, check on my package. I called, somebody answered me. Listen, after the conversation, I was at ease. I went to sleep. Nothing else needed. No milk. All I needed was good customer service. 24 hours. Every day. Next thing is they offer island wide shipping. Man, fam, you live in Portmore, they don't care. You live in Urchi, they don't care. You live in Mobe, they don't care. You live in somewhere else, they don't care. You'll get your package because it's island wide delivery. Next thing, you have real time tracking. Like, you'll know when it reaches every single destination it's supposed to reach. They'll update you. Man, you have text and email alerts. Combined shipping, my G. Listen, I order a lot from different websites, and Shop and Relax makes me relax. That's all I'm saying.